Founded 8 years ago, ENZOTINT, a fully Malaysian-owned company in Malaysia, was built on the backdrop principle of dedications, integrity, and passion of car tinted film industry. We understand that each customer's requirements differently. Therefore, we offered ample flexibility, friendly services, technical innovations, knowledges, and reasonable prices to our customers. Over the past 8 years, we have gained friendly trust and confidence from our customers on the quality of products and services that we have provided. We have expanded our business rapidly to fulfill customers' demand and needs. Today, our businesses are involving automotive tinted film, building film, paint protection film, PPF, Zero Pro Nano ceramic coating, car polish, and wax, car wrapping and detailing car wash. We will continue and committed to serve, provide prompt and efficient services, products knowledge, and along with reasonable prices to our customers and beyond. ENZOTINT, your neighborhood trusted automotive car tint shop.